Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Wireshark on a Mac device. Now, I'm running a MacBook Pro, so let's go ahead and see how we can install Wireshark. We need to open a browser and then search for Wireshark. You can just say Wireshark download, or you can go to wireshark.org. Once you get to the official Wireshark website, you have this option to download. You see the different installers based on your OS. Now we are installing on a macOS. Click on this. The download should begin and it should be a quick download. This should download to the downloads folder. Once it's done, just go to your downloads, open Finder, and under downloads you'll see Wireshark, the file we just downloaded. Now to install, double click on it. And we just need to drag this Wireshark app to the application, so drag and drop it. Okay, next thing we need to do is to open Launchpad, search for Wireshark. Search for Wireshark, click on it to open it. So this is Wireshark right here. Now to capture packets, you want to capture packets on where you're seeing traffic. Now these are the different interfaces, and the one that's showing traffic is the Wi-Fi interface right here. So select it. You can click this to start the capture, or you can right click and start capture. Okay, and now you're seeing that it's starting to capture packets. To end, just click on this. That ends it. And these are your packets. Now if you have the output is really long, you can filter based on, say, an IP address. Here you can say IP.address. So it depends on what kind of filter you want to apply. You need to know what expression you're using. Another way to do the filter is to select a packet, right click, and then you can do apply as a filter or prepare as a filter, selected. And then here it shows you what kind of filter it's going to apply. In this case, any packet with an IP address of this as the source IP address will be shown in your capture. So now I have the filter applied, and now when it comes to analyzing the packets, there's this window here. You can drill down. For instance, here I can expand this, I can expand this. It shows me the source and destination ports. So the destination port is 443 for HTTPS, so that tells me the destination is a web server or a website. Then here you have layer 3, you have the source and destination IP addresses right here. Again, they're shown here. Then you have layer 2, which is going to show you the source and destination MAC addresses. And sometimes it will show you the name of the device as well. So TP link. Then you have layer 1 information. So that's a brief overview of how to capture packets. That's all for this video. That's how you can install Wireshark on a Mac OS device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.